Saturday stages of the Acropolis Rally Greece marks the longest day of the rally at nearly 150 competitive kilometres. And it starts with a banger, the 33-kilometre Pyrgos stage. Oyt Tanak was fastest out of the blocks this morning, immediately showing his intent to the rest of the WRC field. With a better road position than day one, the Estonian was able to exploit the extra grip levels on offer. He won the opening stage.
Try to push. The end is still very loose, so this will clean, but beginning I think was not so bad with the road position. So no, it was a good stage, but it was so long. It was never-ending story.
Rally leader Sébastien Loeb was only 1.7 seconds slower than Tanak though, and with Pierre-Louis Loubet over 20 seconds down, Loeb extended his overall lead to 19 seconds, with Thierry Neuville now in the runner-up spot and Loubet dropping to third.
Yeah, sure, the Hyundai are pushing, and I was pushing. It's very difficult, very long, very demanding. Very tough and very slippery in some places, so it was important to make it without mistake.
But things were about to unravel, and unravel fast for M Sport. First, Loeb's alternator belt broke, and despite his best efforts to get it fixed, the 9-times world champion was forced to retire. M Sport's hopes then fell on the shoulders of Pierre-Louis Loubet, but in stage 9 he picked up a puncture and dropped nearly 90 seconds. In a single stage, the dream had turned into a nightmare for both Loeb and Loubet. The pace was absolutely there, the luck this weekend was not.
No luck. What can I say? I didn't touch anything, so no, very unlucky. And this one I was careful with the front left. Yeah, it will turn. We show the pace, now we just need a bit of luck and everything will be good.
The drama didn't stop there. Championship leader Kalle Rovanperä clouted the rear of his Toyota in stage 9. With major suspension damage, his Yaris crabbed through the morning, but over 12 minutes were dropped. His hopes for any championship points now rest entirely on tomorrow's power stage.
We just went wide and hit the rear on something. Yeah, nothing special. Struggling in the morning like yesterday, going flat out everywhere and being so slow is not easy.
Instead, it was Thierry Neuville who won both stages 9 and 10 to hold a commanding lead of 31 seconds over Esa-Pekka Lappi, with Oyt Tanak third, just 1.3 further back.
Yeah, I'm surprised. We had a good clean run this morning, obviously. I think the tyre choice was good as well, but I struggle a bit with the balance in here, and the pace notes were a bit optimistic, so I had to adapt a bit, but it's good if you can extend the lead on a loop like this, and gives you a bit more comfort for this afternoon, but it's still a long way to go.
Into the afternoon, and when we didn't think things could get much worse for M Sport, Gus Greensmith stopped in stage 11 and the British driver wasn't going any further. Stage 12, and this time it was the turn of Esa-Pekka Lappi to hit problems. Creeping through the stage and hemorrhaging time, his challenge was over. That meant it was a Hyundai 1-2-3, Neuville leading Tanak with Dani Sordo in third. But all three cars suffering with overheating issues, none of them stopping to talk at the stage end. Further back, Elfyn Evans closed out his day in fourth place and just 7.1 seconds behind Dani Sordo. A minute and a half further down the road came Pierre-Louis Loubet in fifth, the Frenchman ruining that puncture this morning. Up at the front though came that trio of Hyundais leading the WRC back to service. Neuville out front, 27.9 seconds clear of Tanak, with Sordo 25 further back.
Yeah, it has been a great day for us. A bit of a heart beating this afternoon. We had some trouble with the car, but yeah, we survived. We are here now, and we should get back to service.
Just 3 stages remain, but they are the roughest stages we'll see all weekend. Can Hyundai hang on for a 1-2-3, marking the first time the Korean manufacturer has ever locked out the podium positions? Will we see team orders force Thierry Neuville to yield to Ott Tanak for the Drivers' Championship? So much still to play for. We find out tomorrow for the conclusion of the Acropolis Rally.